Hi all. So this is my GTA game in the Unreal. So I have made this the whole tutorial. So we can do different things, including we can spawn AI. AI is there. We can shoot guns. We can pick up guns. We can have grenades and all. So it is very much fun. Let's go through the game first. Then I will tell what you can do and what you cannot. And this is the open world game, so I have made the same scenario which exists in the GTA and how open system works. So this is the whole map. You will get it inside this course which I have made. The AIs are there. The pedestrian system is all working. See, the different type of AIs will be there. And the fun thing is the AI is very responsive. If like you will go close to them, if you will try to fight them, they will fight with you too. You can pick up guns like this. Press E. So then try to like okay. Um, One more thing. They are using the navigation invokers. Navigation invoker means that you are. I haven't placed navigation manually. It is all auto generated, and it is runtime. Like within the periphery of the main player, we will spawn some NPCs with the navigation invoker, and you will get some idea how we are doing this. And this is very easy. I have made the whole tutorials how we can do that. And if even if you don't have any knowledge of C++ in the Unreal, I have give a brief introduction. It is for the beginner to mediate course, so it will be very easy to follow. Next thing, you can also do hand combat. Let me do with someone. Okay, yeah. And you can do different type of things in this game. We can do hand combat, we can do shooting and all. So yes. Next is grenade. We can use grenade too. We can pick grenade weapon, but see, I haven't added the animation for the grenade throw, but it is working. Next thing, the everything which I have created in this, it is in C++. So nothing is in blueprint. So you will get some idea how we can use C++, what are the functions in this, how we can use the framework efficiently. So we have discussed with that, and everything is implemented in raw form. Like even if I'm debugging something, you will look at it. Okay, how we are rectifying things and all. I have also included the level sequencer. Like when we start the game, the camera will fly up and it will take you to the whole level. So it is really fun, and you will also learn at how we can implement the KO punch and all the hand combat thing inside the game. So it will be really fun. I have told the whole story in the Udemy course, and the link is in the description. uh, in the due course, if you find anything difficult or you have some argument, we can always discuss about it in the course, as I will mentor you personally. You can ask me lots of questions in the same. Okay, so this was it for me. If you like, please like and subscribe. Okay, thank you, take care.